Okay, first things first, let's make our way. We're only about 25 meters off the main path. Yeah, so let's get back up there. Good start, Philip. But the good news is the main path is a lot more rocky than muddy, so that's good news. Oh. Okay, so this is the road. It's going to be hard to get momentum here because there's literally nothing. Okay, I'm getting momentum. Up here. Nice. If I can get on the pegs here, maybe I can pick up some momentum. Oh, there's no grip at all. Here we go. What the Okay, this looks a bit cleaner, this road. Yeah, I seem to be seriously losing power now. But I can have a good run at this part, I think, if I can get around this corner. If I can get around this corner, I should be okay. There's no fucking power! I think maybe I was in second gear before. Okay. Nice. Oh no. Nice. Nearly. Good job, though. Okay, good, Philip. Okay. Right. Okay, I'm going to have a good run at this because I think if I can get on the pegs and good balance, I can have a good run up here. Oh my god, let's take a fucking break. This is where I am now. Look at that view. That's crazy. I can't breathe. Poor bike. And that's where we gotta go. Nice. Unfortunately, guys, I'm going to have to say goodbye to the bike here, and I'm going to have to walk the rest because it's just ridiculous. Let me find my bag and then I'll update you.